You're watching a powerful collection of smart woodworking tools designed to boost your skills and transform the way you work. These 22 innovative tools combine precision, efficiency, and creativity to help you achieve cleaner cuts, smoother finishes, and faster results. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these must-have tools will upgrade your workshop and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear V-Groove Finger Grip Bits. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear V-Groove. Finger grip bits are precision router bits made to create smooth, comfortable finger holds on cutting and serving boards. Carbide-tipped cutters and a bearing-guided design deliver clean, consistent V-grooves on straight or curved edges. A gently radiused groove improves comfort and hygiene, while multiple sizes fit different board thicknesses. Made in the USA, these bits minimize tear out and reduce sanding for professional quality results. MatchFit Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP. The Micro Jig. MatchFit Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP is a fast, reliable clamping solution designed for the MatchFit system. Its unique anti-pivot spring holds the clamp arm in position, making repetitive setups quicker and frustration-free. The trigger-style ratchet delivers strong, vibration-resistant holding power, while the dovetail head fits custom wood tracks or standard T-slots. With a non-marring pad and high clamping force, it's ideal for jigs, benches, and precision woodworking tasks. POWERTEC 2-Way Pocket-Hole Clamp. The POWERTEC 2-Way Pocket-Hole Clamp is a versatile right-angle clamp designed for precise square assemblies. It quickly converts from a dedicated pocket-hole clamp to a standard C-clamp using a removable pin, making it ideal for multiple tasks. Built from durable nickel-plated CRV steel, it features non-marring swivel pads, a quick release mechanism, and ergonomic rubber grips for fast, accurate, and comfortable clamping during woodworking or light metal projects. Kewanqi 4 pieces. Corner clamp, 90-degree right angle clamp. The Kewanqi 4 pieces. Corner clamp set is built for precise 90-degree alignment in woodworking, framing, and light welding tasks. Made from durable aluminum alloy die casting, each clamp features an adjustable swing jaw to handle different material thicknesses easily. The ergonomic non-slip handle allows quick setup with less hand fatigue. With mounting holes for bench fixing and a pack of 4, these clamps are ideal for assembling boxes, frames, cabinets, and furniture accurately. Powermatic PM 2014 Wood Lathe. The Powermatic PM 2014 Wood Lathe is a powerful mid-size benchtop lathe built with vibration-dampening cast iron for smooth, precise turning. Its 1 horsepower variable speed motor delivers consistent torque from ultra-slow to high speeds, while the sliding headstock enables easy outboard turning. With solid construction, digital speed control, and excellent portability, it's ideal for serious woodworkers tackling detailed or larger projects. FoxAlien CNC Router Masuter 3. The FoxAlien CNC Router Masuter 3 is a powerful 3rd generation entry-level CNC machine built with a rigid all-aluminum frame for accuracy and stability. It offers a spacious 15.75 inches by 15.75 inches working area, extended Z-axis travel, and a 60-watt high-speed spindle. Designed for growth, It supports NEMA 23 motor upgrades, larger spindles, and expansion kits, making it ideal for woodworkers ready to scale their CNC projects. LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Folding Portable Workbench. The LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Folding Portable Workbench is a smart space-saving solution for DIYers and home workshops. It quickly converts into a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, or hand truck to handle many tasks with one tool. Adjustable height, a strong aluminum and steel frame, and a stable triangular design ensure safety and reliability. Integrated wheels, onboard measuring features, and compact folding make it easy to move, store, and use anywhere. Trend Door Skate. The Trend Door Skate is a smart heavy-duty solution for moving large doors and sheet materials with ease. Designed to handle loads up to 226 kilograms, it features two smooth 75mm polyurethane wheels with ball bearings for effortless rolling. The V-shaped groove securely supports materials up to 45mm thick and standard sheet sizes. Lightweight yet durable, it reduces strain, prevents damage, and lets one person move heavy items safely and efficiently. MPOWER Perfect Butt Profile Scriber. The MPOWER Perfect Butt Profile Scriber is a precision woodworking tool built to copy and offset irregular shapes with exceptional accuracy. It features 5 interchangeable tracing wheels for different offsets, a central axis spring-loaded pencil for perfectly parallel lines, and a highly stable design for smooth operation. Made from durable brass and steel, it's ideal for countertops, flooring, shelving, and bent wood projects, saving time and reducing costly material waste. Mafell DuoDoweler DDF 40. The Mafell DuoDoweler DDF 40 is a compact high-precision dowel joining machine built for flawless woodworking joints. It drills 2 perfectly parallel holes at once, ensuring strong, twist-free connections every time. With an adjustable tilting fence, precise height and depth controls, and a powerful 900-watt motor, it delivers stationary machine accuracy in a portable, handheld design. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and on-site professional woodworking tasks. Rockler Straight Line Rip Hold Down Clamps. The Rockler Straight Line Rip Hold Down Clamps are essential for safely ripping straight edges on rough or live edge lumber using a shop-made sled. Featuring pivoting ball joints, non-marring pads, and ergonomic T-knobs, they securely hold irregular boards while protecting surfaces. Adjustable supports accommodate various board sizes, delivering precise, professional results. Durable cast aluminum construction ensures long-lasting use, making these clamps a cost-effective, safe, and versatile solution for woodworkers seeking perfectly straight cuts without a jointer. Woodpeckers Dado Setup Fixture and Gap Gauges. The Woodpeckers Dado Setup Fixture and Gap Gauges are essential for precise, hassle-free dado cuts, eliminating guesswork in your workshop. The Dado Setup Fixture lets you assemble and test your dado stack on a workbench, mimicking the table saw arbor, ensuring perfect width without risking your saw blades. Paired with gap gauges, you can measure stock thickness accurately and verify the assembled stack with a go, no-go check. Compatible, versatile, and precise, this system guarantees flawless dados every time. Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro delivers professional level accuracy for installing cabinet knobs and pulls. Built from durable all aluminum, it features adjustable hardened steel drill guides and long-lasting laser-etched metric and imperial scales. The jig supports knobs and pulls from 1 3/4 to 12 inches center to center, works on doors and drawers, and includes an adjustable end stop for repeatable results. Its reversible design ensures fast, perfectly aligned installations every time. Kreg Portable Work Surface. The Kreg Portable Work Surface, KWS-JAWS, is a compact ultra-flat MDF workstation built for precision clamping, cutting, and assembly in tight spaces. Its Grip Max anti-slip cords keep materials steady, while precision machined 3/4 inch dog holes support bench dogs and clamps. Adjustable leveling feet provide stability and cutting clearance. Lightweight, portable, and compatible with Kreg accessories, it's ideal for small shops, garages, and on-site woodworking tasks. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig K4. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig K4 is a reliable workshop-ready joinery tool built for speed and precision. Its adjustable 3-hole hardened steel drill guide creates perfectly placed pocket holes in materials from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick. A rear-mounted toggle clamp securely holds workpieces, while durable glass-filled nylon construction ensures long life. Integrated dust collection, onboard storage, and portable mounting options make it ideal for furniture, cabinets, and everyday woodworking projects. Veritas Cabinet Scraper. The Veritas Cabinet Scraper is a premium hand tool crafted for smoothing wood surfaces and glue lines without tear out. Its durable ductile cast iron body and ergonomic design reduce hand fatigue while providing precise control. The adjustable thumb screw allows perfect blade camber for consistent cuts, and the double-edged high-carbon steel blade ensures long-lasting sharpness. Ideal for both rough and fine work, this scraper delivers professional quality results on tricky grain and delicate surfaces, making it a must-have for any woodworker. MatchFit Grid Router Guide. The Micro Jig MatchFit Grid Router Guide turns any wooden surface into a perfectly spaced, unlimited clamping grid without measuring or marking. Its self-indexing base automatically aligns each pass, creating precise 4-inch on-center dovetail tracks with ease. Ideal for benches, jigs, and sleds, it delivers T-track style versatility at a lower cost. Built from durable, glass-reinforced plastic, it fits most standard routers and integrates seamlessly with the MatchFit clamping system. GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps. GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps are designed for fast, reliable clamping in woodworking and general construction projects. Their unique twist lock mechanism delivers up to 330 pounds of clamping force with easy one-handed operation. Non-marring rubber jaw pads protect delicate surfaces, while the reinforced nylon body ensures long-lasting durability. Available in multiple sizes, these clamps are ideal for assembly, gluing, and light-duty professional or DIY workshop tasks. Kreg Foreman Pocket-Hole Machine. The Kreg Foreman Pocket-Hole Machine DB210 is a powerful semi-automatic solution for fast and precise pocket hole joinery. With a single pull of the handle, it clamps the workpiece and drills a perfect pocket hole in one smooth motion. Its adjustable fence, quick change chuck, and compatibility with standard, micro pocket, and HD joints make it ideal for production work, job sites, and serious woodworking shops. GOEHNER's multi-purpose bench. Vise 3.3 inches, the MAXPOWER ratcheting table clamp, is a heavy-duty, quick-release clamp designed for MFT workbenches and guide rail systems. Built from durable steel with a chrome vanadium handle, it delivers up to 530 pounds of clamping force, ensuring stability for cutting, sanding, or routing. Its smooth ratcheting mechanism, non-marring pads, and precise system compatibility make clamping fast, secure, and damage-free. Perfect for serious woodworkers seeking efficiency and reliability in their workflow. MAXPOWER ratcheting table clamp. The MAXPOWER ratcheting table clamp is a heavy-duty, quick-release clamp designed for MFT workbenches and guide rail systems. Built from durable steel with a chrome vanadium handle, it delivers up to 530 pounds of clamping force, ensuring stability for cutting, sanding, or routing. Its smooth ratcheting mechanism, non-marring pads, and precise system compatibility make clamping fast, secure, and damage-free, perfect for serious woodworkers seeking efficiency and reliability in their workflow. SimpleScribe Scribing Tool. The SimpleScribe Scribing Tool is a compact, beginner-friendly marking tool designed for fast, accurate layouts. It features 7 fixed offset edges from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, letting you rotate the tool instead of adjusting settings. Compatible with a standard number. 2 pencil, it holds securely to prevent slipping. Made from durable re-inf.